Hi everybody, this is Mo's Crafts on Tuesday the 8th of, or the 9th of January 2024. It's my first video from my channel, my craft channel so far. You know that 5D diamond art I'm doing for me and my daughter, but I finished it. Hold on. I finished it on Sunday. I don't know if you can see it. So, oh shit. Hold on. There. I finished it on Sunday. I started it in November. It's for a Christmas present for my mum, but I didn't think I'd finish it in time, so there is a finish. First year of finish. The first year of finishing that. So I'm going to put it up in a frame. I'm going to ask mum if she wants it. If she doesn't want it, I'll put it up. So put it up in a frame. So that's one finish. And I've started.
But just generally, like, that's not something
And I've started knitting this. Hold on.
I don't think I'm the right person to talk about it. Because it's not something I feel like I
It's a
actually
blanket.
good at, and I don't enjoy it very much, and so I think I'm not the right person to talk about it. I'm sorry.
So I'm starting that. Oh, I started it. I'm doing strip free. There. Do strip free.
Zone out and having to stop and think and consider and potentially like not
It's going cross now.
have to pick things off and try again.
I started that
a
couple of days ago. So I started knitting again. I still got another thing to finish off in knitting. What else?
On my sort of unwritten list.
I started a cross stitching pattern. Today is a new start.
Enhancement sets that DP with Sparklers is doing now. It's the owner and Cheryl.
So get it over what's in my bag.
Cheryl, if you're watching, they put together
Maybe
last year. They started putting together these enhancement sets that are
I'll take it through here, I think. I started doing this at the group this morning. I don't know if you can see it. A wee cat and dog cross stitch kit. It's 36 with 24 centimetres, 3 strands, the dog and cat. It's a cat and crafts cross stitch. I've only done a tiny bit, so I'm going to do it. I need to put this in there. It's a printed cross stitch kit. So I've done a wee bit. Here we go. There. At the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Yeah. Right. I'll start at that, so I'm going to I'm doing a whip pull, cross stitching thing. There's 5 days when you start, so that's the first day when you start up. So do that. And then I'm doing the Facebook group as well, cross stitching.
Well, I don't know if I should say your name because I haven't asked, but you probably.
So that's all I could show you then now. I'll show you later on what else I could do. Okay, bye.